Listen, some people are out here building online businesses that let them work 3 hours a day and still bring in six figures every single month. Meanwhile, others are stuck grinding the same 9 to 5 that they've been working for years. So let's get something straight. You can build your dream life in the next 12 months, but only if you change how you think, how you move, and how you run your business. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down step by step for you. And if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally build a system that runs without you glued to your screen, then keep watching. See, when I started chasing this online business thing, people thought I was insane. Family, friends, even people I looked up to. They were looking at who I used to be, not who I was becoming. The thing is, most people will project their fears onto your vision. That's not your responsibility to carry. You've got to be okay with being called too ambitious or too obsessed or too intense. See, you're not building a normal life, you're building freedom. And no one will understand your dream better than you. So stand out, own it, let them talk. This path is not for them, it's for you. Remember, they're not the ones paying your bills, so they don't have a say in your life or your dream. Next is clarity. You need to be obsessively clear about what success looks like for you. Not I want more money or I want to quit my job. I mean, what time are you waking up? What does your business actually sell? Who's running it when you're off with your kids or on vacation? If you can't see it clearly in your mind, your energy is scattered, and so is your business. You've got to be obsessed with the outcome. Laser focus. You need to know where you're going clearly, that nothing can knock you off track. One step forward every day beats everybody that quits. That vision in your head, that's your GPS system. Don't lose it. Most people ask garbage questions like, why isn't this working? Or how can I get more money? Let me give you some better ones. What would need to be put in place for this to scale without me? Who can I hire to make sure I never have to touch customer service again? How can I double my income without doubling my hours? See, your brain is a search engine. If you ask it stronger questions, it'll serve up smarter answers. Make this a daily habit, because people who ask small questions and safe ones, they get small results, and they usually end up with a job that they hate. Stop stalling, stop planning, stop waiting. Just fucking go. I've seen people sit on product ideas, lead magnets, and business proposals for months. Meanwhile, money came and went. I didn't wait for perfection. I launched fast, I learned, and I adjusted. Success is speed over perfection. See, perfection is one of the biggest causes of failure. It's not only expensive, but it's time consuming. By the time that you actually achieve that perfection that you've been searching hard for, whatever it is, guess what? It's gone. So just shut up and go. The world doesn't need another draft, it needs action. Opportunity doesn't wait, it rewards the ones who move fast. You can't grow what you can't measure. Here's what I track. Revenue per hour my employees work. How much do I make from them? Time wasted on tasks. Where can I delegate for more time? And conversion rates on everything. For instance, how long does it take for me to get from point A to point B? And can I hire a driver? Because every minute counts. When you track it, you can fix it. No data equals no direction. And unlike your cousin, your ex, or your business partner from that one idea, data doesn't lie. If you can write it down and log it, it can be improved. Even if this is your first business, and even if you're not a numbers person, just start tracking and you'll see the areas that you can improve quickly. Don't chase 5 things at once. Drop shipping looks easy. Print on demand sounds fun. Coaching feels like a high ticket value. But stacking shiny objects isn't building a business. One path, one product, one offer, until it's automated, profitable, and hands off. Then, and only then, you should diversify. Freedom comes from focus, not from juggling a bunch of half-baked ideas. You want amazing results, not half-ass shit. Too many people are trying to protect their little slice of the pie. They're cutting costs, avoiding tools, and afraid to invest. That's not how winners move. I delegate, I automate, I invest in software systems and people to grow my business while I sleep. I'm not afraid to spend it if it means scaling faster and smarter. Freedom isn't earned by saving pennies. It's built by multiplying value. So let your money work for you. The more it collects, the less that you have to do. So stop nickel and diming yourself and start asking, where can I invest to get the highest return? Look, I used to think that I had to hit some sort of revenue goal or buy a Porsche to feel legit. And yeah, I did get the Porsche, but that's besides the point. See, the best business I've ever built came from when I stopped chasing validation and started leaning into what I was already great at. Most people try to do everything themselves. That's not sustainable, and it's not smart. You're not meant to wear every hat. Figure out what you're great at and stay in that lane. Then hire people who thrive in the lanes that you hate. You'll grow 10 times faster with the right people in the right seats. Now, let's get real here. You need a reason deeper than I want more money or I want to quit my job. Maybe it's freedom. Maybe it's breaking a generational cycle. Maybe it's being the parent you never had. Whatever it is, hold on to that. That's what keeps you going. When sales dip, when views drop, when the algorithm screws you, it's what gets you up every day. Even when you wish you could just hit that snooze button and go back to bed. You need the motivation to go beyond being mediocre. Now my why? It's simple. To never need permission from anyone ever again. To be fully present for my family. And to help others build that same freedom. Because I know it's in everybody right now watching this video. You just need the proper direction in order to achieve it. So yeah, your dream life is possible. And you can achieve it in the next 12 months. But only if you stop doing it all manually. Stop doing it all alone. And stop waiting for permission. Build systems, hire help. Treat your time like the CEO you are. Not the overwhelmed employee you used to be. Now, if this hits home, drop a comment below and tell me what your big goal is over the next 12 months. Together, we're gonna make sure that you hit that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.